Hello, today we are going to see how we can create a game with Python. So in this tutorial is about to create a game with Python just by declaring our variable in the Python file. So let's start by this is how we just comment what we're going to do. Create a game with Python. So I'm going to create a game that take an input for the user, and then if the person guess or imagine the winning letter, and then Python going to generate the result that you win or you lost. So first thing, we need to declare our variable. For example, I can say the keyword, because the goal here is for the person to guess what is the keyword. So I can come here and say keyword is you can say dollars. Dollars is a keyword. So let's make use the underscore here. Just those red line. So keyword is a dollar. That's the word that we're going to. So we can see guess. Guess will mean imagine in another language, or another synonym of guess is just imagine. So I'm asking the user to guess what is the keyword, and then we declare our variable guess with a double quote. Just mean imagine the keyword that you have to put, but the keyword is dollars. So the user have to guess that keyword. If enter the exact keyword, and Python going to generate that it win, or if it did not enter the keyword, it's going to generate that he are losing, he are missing. So the user going, of course, to have some maybe couple change to try the game 1 or 3 more time. So I can say guess count 0, and okay, who's the guess underscore limit equal. You can put the number of times that you want. The limit can be 5. I can choose 5 for the limit, and then we can say if you are odd. If you are odd of guesses. So if you are odd of guess, then it is false. So this one is a Boolean variable, true or false. So now we're going to use the not the what's going with the loop variable, while loop. So we see while, and this is the condition, while guess is not equal. This is how we use is not equal, and question mark, and then the equal. While equal is not equal to keyword. Yeah. While equal is not equal to, while guess is not equal to keyword, and for example, and not out of guesses, and not out of and not out of gases. Let's do this. And not out of gases. If, who's the if statement? If gas count is less than gas limit. If gas count is less than gas limit, then gas equal asking the user to input into gases. Like this. And then we can declare our gas condition right here. So we can say gas underscore count equal, for example, we can hold this one, plus equal 1. So this means that each time you don't have a correct gases, you can try one more time, and this is the limit of the second chain or the next chain, 5. So after 5 guessing, if you did not win, you lose. But if before 5 guessing you guess the word, and then you win the game. So here we're gonna use the else to see half of guesses equal true. Let's be capital. Out of guesses equal true. So this means if you are out of guesses, you cannot try again, even if you lose. And then we can see another if statement who does not belong to this one. Let's try another if statement who does not belong to the one. If and out of guesses, if half of guesses, and then print you lose, or you are out of guesses, or just bring out of guesses, out of guesses. And then if you didn't guess, then you lose the game. And then else just bring you won, because if you lose the game because you didn't guess, and for the next time if you win, then it's going to print you win the game, or you won the game. You are a winner. It is. you are a winner. So let's try. So I don't see a red mark here. Let's see what's going on here. Real guess is not equal to keyword and not all of guesses. Okay, Python asks me syntax error, expect a double colon right here. So right here I need a double colon. Okay, let's run one more time. Okay, it's work. Enter guesses. So let's try something that we're going to lose. Let's say I put euro, not dollars. One more time because I did not win. And let's put sterling. I did not win. Let's put yen. Not win. Pesos. Not win. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 try, just not win. Franc. Out of guesses, you lose. So our game is working. So let's try another one. That if we try one more time and guesses, I put in euro. John Trust wins this one, and then let's guess the true dollars. Oh, he was supposed to put I win, but I put the dollar, it's not working. It just asked me another guess again, even if I put the true. One more time, dollars. Oh my god, what Python doing to me? 1, 2, 3, 4 dollars again. All of guesses, you lose. Why do I lose when I guess it? Oh, my game is going crazy. Something's wrong. Something's wrong here. I need to find it. You know, when I tried the second time by losing the game, it's spring I lose. But right here, I'm putting the right guesses with the dollar. But Python tell me out of guesses, you lose. So something is wrong here. So I need to think about it. What is wrong here? I see this line right here, but it's not something. Nothing is red here to show me that I am wrong. This line doesn't mean it's wrong. This is something just less. If it is red, this means that it's wrong. But when I run, it's not saying nothing wrong. Out of guesses. Let's see this one. Okay, let's run this one. One more time. Euro. Yes, now dollars. Yeah, it's working. You are a winner. So this was a mistake. You know, Python is very, very sensitive to the indentation. So right here I didn't indent, so the dollar was too far for the first double quotation mark. That's why Python did not recognize it. Python does not recognize this definition, even if it was green. And then right here Python doesn't show me that I have an error, but because I didn't indent it very well, you need to be too close on the double quote, the first double quote. So just see right here, if I come right here, I run it with the true guesses. You see, Python still asks me to put, until I'm going to put all the 5 guesses, and then he's going to tell me that I lost. He's going to tell me that I lost the game. You see, out of guesses you lost, because Python does not recognize this, does not identify this variable right here, because it's not well indented, it's not good indented. So if I bring him back close to the quotation, sudo quotation mark and then run it, and then Python will recognize it. Let's run it one more time. See, I put here dollars. You are the winner. So this is how it works. So if I use a capital letter, let's see if capital letter going to work here. Let's do dollar with capital letter. So Python did not recognize. Python did not recognize. But if I put lowercase, you are the winner. That's great. So this is how you can bring many game at home with this with this IDE. This is a integrate development environment. So you can use PyCharm. PyCharm is a very good one. You can use Visual Studio Code too. So those two one, and you work at home with Python, or you can just download Python by using your Linux if you have a Linux OS, or you can also use, but I think with your Mac you cannot just use it. You have very limitation to use to build some good application or good game like this if you are just using your Mac without downloading a IDE to do this. So thank you, and see you on the next tutorial.